Hey guys, I just wanted to kind of do a little screen sharing video with you. I've had some kids commenting on Google Classroom or emailing me on where to find some things like practice reports or other announcements that we have. So I wanted to kind of help you out with that a little bit real quick. Okay, so first of all, I've got our slides here that we're going to be using for this week, the week of April the 6th. So something is might look a little different again, sorry, but Mr. Cyber and I have decided to put all of our class slides for band in one kind of central file here. And that's mostly for myself and him and Miss Barnhill to make sure that all of our announcements throughout the different classes are really are going to be really the same so that everybody's getting the same information. Okay, so when you open this from when I post it on Google Classroom, it might be on a different class or different slide. So please, first things first, make sure you check out at the top of the slide what class is on, and you might have to scroll down on the side or, use your finger, depending on what device you're on, to scroll down to find your correct class. So make sure you're on your correct class first things first, okay? So my slides are under Mr. Cybert's red slides. So I'm going to go down and we're going to look at the flute class slides here today. Okay. So here, first of all, the biggest thing I want you to take note of is that all of these blue underlined word or words has a link to something attached to it. Okay, so if you hear me refer to check the link on the slide, that's what I mean. Okay, so all of these, if you click on them or right click, or sometimes you can even hover over them with or hold down on them if you're on a phone, that's going to be how you get to that information. Okay, so for example, I got a lot of questions about where the practice report form was. So up here, first thing first, practice report submit here. Again, there's a couple different ways depending on what device. Okay, so sometimes if you click and wait, the link will pop up and you can click that and it's going to take you to that practice report form. Okay. Or if it doesn't, if you click on it and it doesn't pop up, I'm on a computer, you can right click and go open link. And then it will open. I was experimenting with my iPhone last night. And again, what I had to do there, and so if you're on a phone or a tablet, I had to press down on the linked word in order to get it to open up. I had to hold it down for about a split second and it kind of highlighted it looked like you could copy or paste it, and then it opened up for me. Okay, so you might have to experiment with a couple different ways there, but hopefully that helps you on just how to open up those links. Okay, so that's the biggest thing, is instead of kind of sending you to different places, we're using our class slides as our central hub for everything. Your quizzes are on here, announcements are on here. So hopefully that helps so that you don't have to look in too many different places. Okay. All right. So I do want to take a quick look here at Google Classroom. Again, I'm just going to use the flute class here as an example. When we start to post or assign things, this front screen is the stream, they call it, where you're going to see everything that's ever been posted here in our flute class. So that gets kind of busy, or like our class slide, now that I've added some new assignments, gets a little buried. Or if you're looking for something that maybe I posted last week, another place you can find things is under classwork. Okay, so under classwork here, the assignments here are at the top. Okay, so you can see here's that E flat scale that was on the slide for this week. And actually what I try to do here is, again, I give you the Flipgrid link where you go to take the quiz. But then I've also attached a kind of the how-to video or help video. So hopefully you've seen those, and those have been helping you out as well. Okay, I've also got all the videos that I've made here, so you can go back and check out the old something old if you want to, or if you never saw something. All the videos I've also posted there as well. And I've even got handouts. So if, for example, you finished a Rhythm Master and you need the next one, you can go in here and it should open up a PDF or a printable version that you can work off of. Okay, if you need anything, give me a comment on Google Classroom, send me an email, and I'll help you out. Bye, guys.